Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Start by folding over the back seat. Then, using a T25 Torx key, unscrew the 2 screws on the plastic casing in the trunk. Then, move it out of the way. Using Needlenose pliers, remove the rivets on the carpet in the trunk. Move the carpet. You will now have access to the screws on the shock absorber head. Using adjustable pliers, hold the stem of the shock absorber and unscrew the nut with a 16mm spanner. Remove the cover. With a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew the lug nut, holding the lower part of the shock absorber. You can now remove the shock absorber.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new shock absorber. All the necessary accessories are supplied with it. Insert the cylinder into the strut mount. Then install the strut mount on the stem of the shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Screw the upper holding screw, then slide the lower part into its housing and screw it back in. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Using a jack, slightly lift the suspension to gain complete access to the threading on the head of the shock absorber. Put the upper cover back in place and screw the shock absorber back in. On this model, screwing is down with a lock nut to fix the tightening using adjustable pliers and a 16mm socket. You can now remove the jack.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.
Put the carpet back in place, as well as the seal around the trunk, placing it over the top of the carpet to ensure complete water tightness. Put the rivets back in place and screw the plastic casing into the trunk. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.